Hi, boys and girls. Miss Farrell coming to you today with our Letterland lesson of the day. Today is lesson 39, where we're going to learn about Sammy Snake and putting plurals, making an S on the end of it. All right, let's take a look at our quick dash today. We have, who is this Letterlander? That's right, it's Annie Apple, and her sound is ass. This is what she looks like in our story. All right, our next Letterlander is Dippy Duck. That's right, the letter D in story. This is Golden Girl. Her letter, the letter G. Great job. Who is this Letterlander? That's right, Noisy Nick, his sound, and his letter N in books and stories. Who's this Letterlander? Impy Ink. That's right, the letter I in stories. Peter Puppy, the letter P makes a sound in stories. Two more. Talking Tess, what's her letter sound? That's right, the letter T in stories. And our hero of the day, Sammy Snake, and his sound in stories. All right, we are going to take a look at this picture. What do we see right here? This is a book. That's right, this is a book. Let's put our hands together and we're going to stretch it out. Book. Book. Let's try it again. Put your hands together. Book. Book. When we stretch our hands apart like that, it's called a slow read. We're going to slowly read it so we can hear all of the sounds. Book. Book. What's the beginning sound you hear? The book, like bouncy band. In the middle, you've got the That's two O's together. They make the sound. At the end, we hear a k. Who's our Letterlander? That's right. So you hear book, book. Now, take a look at this picture. This is a stack of books. Ooh, who did you hear at the end? Let me say it again. Books. That's right. You hear Sammy Snake at the end. So when we see just one book, there is no S. When we see many books, there's an S at the end. Same way, we stretch it out. Let's stretch out books. Right here. Books. Books. Great job. We're going to try it again. Oh, what do we have here? This is a cup. Let's stretch it out another way. Go ahead and put out your arm. And I want you to use your hand, and we're going to stretch it out. Cup. Do you see how I rubbed down my arm? Kind of like I was putting on lotion or sunscreen. How about we use sunscreen so it's not lotion? Let's try that again. Cup. What's my word? Cup. Do you see how I stretched out the word cup? Now take a look at this picture. We're going to put Sammy Snake on the end. It's going to be cups. Say it with me. Cups. Let's stretch it out. Cups. Let's do it again. Cups. Great job stretching out your words. Here's our word cat. Let's stretch it out. Cat. If we put Sammy Snake on the end, we would have cat. Many cats. Let's stretch out this word. Cat. Great job. What would happen if I put Sammy Snake on the end Let's stretch it out. At, hat. Many hats that everybody wears. One more. Stretch it out. At, mat. Do it again. At, mat. Let's put Sammy Snake on the end. At, mat. More than one mat is mat. Great job, you guys. We'll see you tomorrow when we learn about Sleepy Sammy. See you later.